Tired of Microsoft Defender blocking your trusted software? Microsoft Defender is a built-in Windows tool that silently protects your PC from viruses, spyware, and other threats, for free. But what if it starts working against you? In Windows 10 especially, Defender often keeps flagging trusted programs as threats, blocks installations, and keeps turning itself back on even after you disable it. It also lacks flexibility, making it frustrating for those who prefer third-party antivirus or need to free up system resources. That's why DigitDon presents Defender Control, a lightweight yet powerful tool that lets you disable Microsoft Defender with just one click right from your desktop. No more digging through settings or wasting time. Once disabled, Defender stays off until you decide to turn it back on. A must-have tool for anyone who values complete control over their system. So, in this short and to-the-point video, we'll learn how to install and use Defender Control to take full control of Microsoft Defender. But before all that, here's an important reminder. Watch this video all the way through. No skipping. If you miss something and don't understand, don't come complaining in the comments. But here's the best part. If you watch till the end, you might win the chance to be included in the list of lucky viewers to grab this amazing tool for free. So stay tuned and don't miss out.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DigitDon.
Let's get started. Extract the downloaded folder that you just received from us. Provide password, if demanded. Open extracted folder. You can open Help file here for written guidance too. Disconnect internet. Disable Windows Securities manually. This video tutorial is on Windows 11. Disabling Windows Securities might vary a little according to Windows version you have. Unzip the downloaded folder. Provide password if asked. Unzip inside folders. Don't be bored of repeated extraction with passwords, it's very necessary. Double-click the Defender Settings VBS file. It should lead you to Windows Defender page. Reassure that Windows Securities are disabled, real-time protection, and tamper protection in particular. Close Windows Securities page. Double-click on Decon app. You might find the small window of the tool directly without any installation. Click on Menu. Click on Add to the exclusion list. Go to Windows Securities page manually. And ensure from Exclusion tab whether it has been added successfully. If you have some antivirus, add this file in Antivirus Exclusion 2. All set to go. Now you can use this tool to enable and disable Windows Defender efficiently whenever needed. Let's check whether it's working properly. Notification in orange color indicates that this tool is not intervening yet. In this case, it's showing that real-time protection is turned off manually by its user. Yes, we had done that. When we click on Disable Windows Defender, it turns red, pointing that the tool has started working, and currently Windows Defender is disabled. When we click on Enable Windows Defender, it turns green, pointing that the tool has started working and currently Windows Defender is enabled. Now is the time to verify its functionality. Let's click on Disable Windows Defender. According to the tool, Defender should be disabled now. Let's check it manually. Yes, Windows Defender is disabled. Even neither yourself nor some app like Windows itself can have access to this page. Nobody is entitled to enable Windows Defender. Now return to our tool. Click on Enable Windows Defender. According to the tool, Defender should be enabled now. Let's check it manually. Page is on previous state. Refresh it to show current status. Yes, Windows Defender is enabled. Windows and we ourselves can have access to this page now and can change settings manually if needed. Notice that real-time protection is at on state. You can enable cloud-delivered protection, automatic sample protection, and tamper protection yourself manually. In future, if you find that the tool is no longer available or has been deleted automatically, you can refresh it from original zip folder received from us. Must keep folder received from us in zip form for future use. We're sure this content has been valuable for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more useful and exciting content coming your way. If you've watched this video till the end, you might become eligible to get this amazing tool for free. You can find the download link in the description of this video or in any other related video on our channel. That's it for now. See you in the next video soon. For any general or business inquiries, feel free to reach out to us on WhatsApp at +92 3222 731010 or email us at contactdigitdon@gmail.com. DigitDon, the name of trust and reliability.